Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the components so you can connect and accept connections. Open settings optional features or run PowerShell as admin and add the Open SSH. Server and client capabilities. This gives you SSH and SSHD binaries. Once installed, start the SSHD service and set it to automatic so Windows runs the server at boot. Make sure firewall rules allow port 22 or your chosen port. This ensures clients can reach your machine when you test a connection. You generate a key pair so you avoid password logins and improve security. Run SSH keygen t ed 25519 and keep the private key safe. Add the public key to the server's authorized keys file or use SSH copy ID from another machine. Then edit C /program data /SSH /SSHD config to set a non-standard port if desired, disable password authentication, and allow only key-based login to reduce brute force risk. After changes, restart SSHD so they take effect and test an SSH connection locally first. You finish by verifying connectivity and fixing common issues. First test with SSH user at localhost to confirm the server runs, then from a remote client using the public IP or DNS name. If you cannot connect, make sure Windows Firewall allows the port and check the SSHD logs in Event Viewer for errors. Also confirm file permissions. Your SSH folder should be 700 and authorized keys 600 because excessive permissions cause Open SSH to reject keys. Once fixed, reconnect and save the working configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.